Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best truck bed lights is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for truck owners, offering a blend of practicality and style that significantly enhances both the functionality and appearance of your vehicle. In this video, we will delve into the top contenders in the market, examining their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision on which set of LED bed lights best suits your needs and preferences. Number 5. Nilight TR-05 Strip Kit. This kit will dramatically improve the visibility of your truck bed. It's easy to install and built to last. With 180 LEDs, it provides 2,400 lumens of bright white light. You'll have no problem seeing everything in your truck bed. The included adhesive tape makes installation a breeze. For extra security, mounting hardware is also provided. It comes with everything you need for a safe and easy electrical connection, including a two-way splitter, inline fuses, and an on-off switch. Its IP67 sealed housing protects it from the elements. It's flexible and built to last up to 30,000 hours. Use it in your truck bed, as RV awning lights, or even as step bar lights. The possibilities are endless. We're confident in its quality. That's why it comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It boasts impressive brightness to light up your entire truck bed. The peel and stick installation is quick and easy. If you need a simple, bright, and easy to install solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They are super bright. One light would have been more than bright enough for a pickup with a camper shell cap when installed overhead. The 3M tape sticks extremely well as long as you prep the surface properly. These are easy to wire and instructions are clear. These lights are plenty bright to light up the bed of a truck. No need for a front or rear strip. Just the side strips are plenty. The adhesive they come with seems to be plenty strong. Number 4. Xprite Truck Light Kit. This kit offers 24 ultra-bright LEDs for superior illumination. It's perfect for working in low light conditions, eliminating the need for flashlights. It boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, making it resistant to rain, snow, and other harsh weather. You can rely on it in any condition. Its slim, low-profile design allows for easy concealment. Unlike bulky alternatives, it won't hang below your truck bed rails. Installation is a breeze with the included 3M adhesive and screws. Plus, the convenient switch lets you control the lights with ease. Use it under your car, in footwells, on your truck bed, or virtually anywhere else. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles. With its powerful illumination and simple installation, this kit is the perfect upgrade for any vehicle. Get yours today. What we like. Its compact and discreet design blends seamlessly into your truck bed. The weatherproof design ensures it can withstand harsh conditions. If you prioritize a low-profile, durable, and easy-to-install lighting solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. Adhesive is not the best but works good for a normal-size truck bed. Wiring was easy and the lights are a great size and they are bright. Love they come on as soon as he opens the tailgate. Color is great. The adhesive is super strong also. Great product. Installed these on a 2016 Ram 1500, equipped with the OEM LED light kit and after the application of an aftermarket spray in liner. I basically tapped these into the OEM lights on the rear of the bed, then ran each string up the side, 3 to a side. I have a backflip MX4 along with the backbox too, and ran the 4th light on each string up to the mounting bracket on each side of the toolbox, so the light shines in there as well. Rig is very bright, and comes on with the OEM LED lights. The Xprite white lights are not an exact match to the OEM LEDs, but it's not enough to bug me. The Xprite lights appear to stick to the spray and liner just fine even though it is textured. Very nice. Number 3. Nilight 60 LED Truck Bed Light. This innovative light strip is designed to illuminate your truck bed with impressive brightness. Its versatile design makes it perfect for various applications. With 270 high-output LEDs, it delivers a super bright, 3900 LLM 6000K white light. This ensures your truck bed is well lit, even in the darkest conditions. Installation is a breeze with the peel and stick adhesive backing. For extra security, mounting hardware is also included. It comes with everything you need for a safe and easy electrical connection, including a splitter cable, fuse, on-off switch, and extension cable. Always prioritize safe electrical practices. The IP67 sealed housing protects it from the elements, ensuring a long lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Its flexible design allows for easy installation in various spaces. It's not just for truck beds. Use it for RVs, boats, or anywhere you need bright, reliable lighting. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. What we like. This option offers superior brightness to illuminate your truck bed. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the peel and stick design. If you value maximum brightness and straightforward installation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They're incredibly bright and light up everything perfectly, making them a fantastic addition to my setup. They were so easy to wire and install. Very bright, easy to see anything in the bed of my truck. Easy to install. Exactly as described. Really bright. Easy to cut to size. Number 2. Nilight TR08 Rock Lights. These lights are perfect for illuminating your truck bed or undercarriage. They're bright enough for any task, even in the dark. With 24 SMD 2835 LEDs, it provides powerful illumination. You'll never need a flashlight again. Each pod has a plug, allowing for custom installation. Easily adjust the length to fit your needs. They're IP67 waterproof, so it can withstand rain, snow, and other harsh conditions. Built to last. Quick installation with reliable tape, or secure it with screws. Plus, each strand has its own switch for easy control. The kit includes 8 pods with 24 LEDs, providing ample lighting. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. What we like. It features a practical design with individually pluggable pods for flexible placement. The durable and weatherproof design ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a flexible and durable lighting solution with easy installation, this is ideal. What people say. Adhesive is super strong. LEDs are very bright. These have so many applications. I'm using these to light under my equipment trailer. They are simple to wire and brighter than I expected them to be, which will be helpful when loading backing at night. Installed them myself after needing them since I wanted to install a bed cover, used YouTube videos, grabbed power from trailer harness, did not drill any holes, wire length exceeded it needs, super bright, lasted me about 5 months in rain and car washes before I installed the bed cover and are still running super bright, definitely water resistant. Number 1. Nilight TL31 Light Kit. Get ready to illuminate your world with the Nilight TL31, a versatile and durable LED light strip kit. It's perfect for trucks, SUVs, RVs, and more. It boasts 180 high-quality LEDs, delivering ultra-bright light in 8 solid colors. You can also customize it with 4 music modes and adjustable brightness and speed. Control it all from a distance with the included RF remote. No need for line of sight, it works through walls and over long distances. With its IP67 sealed housing, it's protected against the elements and built to last up to 30,000 hours. It's flexible and durable enough to withstand any adventure. Installation is a breeze. Just peel and stick it to your desired surface. Mounting hardware is included for extra security. It comes with everything you need for easy and safe electrical hookup, including a 2-way splitter cable, inline fuse, on-off switch, and plenty of extension cable. Drive with confidence. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. What we like. This offers vibrant, customizable lighting with its RGB capabilities and RF remote control. The flexible design allows for easy installation in various locations. If you want colorful, remotely controlled lighting with a flexible design, this is the one for you. What people say. The LEDs are very bright, go along with music via vibrations, and have some pretty color light effects. I mainly need a bright white for everyday use, and red for when I am camping so I don't disturb others. They serve this purpose very well. Easy to install, was done in 20 minutes. Most time it took was running the wire down the frame rail and figuring out how I wanted to run it with no slack at all. Been using for a month, no issues at all, and very bright at night time. First, these lights are bright. And they seem to work decent. I like that they can be dimmed, as I bought these for finding things under my bed cover in the dark. I set it to red and 50% brightness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.